Hello everyone, so welcome back to the chemistry. We are reading the chapter number 1 of class 11th. In the last video we have learnt about mixtures. Till mixtures we have learnt homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture and their properties of the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Let's now start from 1.3, that is properties of matter and their measurement. Physical and chemical properties. Every substance has unique or characteristics properties. These properties can be classified into two categories: physical properties such as color, odor, melting point, boiling point, density, etc., and chemical properties like composition, combustibility, reactivity with acid and bases. So what is physical property? The physical means the properties of matter can be classified into two ways, that is physical and chemical properties. What is physical property? Physical property can be categorized by the metal having color, odor. Color means color, odor means smell, melting point, boiling point, and density means mass, etc. And chemical properties like composition, combustibility, reactivity, acid and bases. Chemical properties can be classified of a metal by acid, bases, or combustibility with reactivity. So physical properties can be measured or observed without changing the identity or composition of a substance. It can be measured, physical properties can be measured or can be observed without changing the identity, without changing the metal shape or its composition or its color, any other physical states such as its odor, melting point, boiling point, its mass. This can be changed this can be measured without changing any of these properties. So it is called physical properties. Chemical properties requires a chemical change to occur. Measurement of chemical properties requires chemical change such as combustibility, in combustion, acids and bases, etc. Measurement of physical property doesn't require occurrence of chemical change. The examples of chemical properties are characteristics of reaction in different substances. Measurement of physical properties do not require occurrence of chemical change. Physical property doesn't require any chemical changes. It doesn't require any chemical properties such as acids and bases or any other component which cannot be visible. Physical properties can be visible in physical change. The example of chemical properties are characteristics reaction of different substances includes acids and basicity. It describes and interprets the predict of behavior in both the substances. Chemical change occurs in both types, in acids and bases, which reacts with combustibility. You can see in different chemists they describes any other medicine, doesn't describe the medicine without seeing their chemical components. They have to determine the chemical components before they prescribe any medicines. So these are the base physical quantities and their units. Physical quantities such as length, symbol for quantity of length is L, SI unit of length is meter, symbol for SI unit is M, meter short form M, length short form L, or its symbol is L. Mass symbol is M, SI unit is kilogram, SI unit symbol is kg. Physical quantity, next physical quantity is time. Symbol of time is T. SI unit of time is second. Symbol of SI unit is S. Electric current, symbol of electric current is I. SI unit of current is ampere. Symbol of SI unit is A. Thermodynamic expression, symbol of quantity T. SI unit is Kelvin. Symbol is K. Amount of substance, luminous amount of substances is mu or mole, N, mole. Symbol of SI unit MOL. Luminous intensity IV, which is candela. SI unit is CD. So in this table 1.2 we see the definition of SI base unit. What is the unit of length is meter, unit of mass is kilogram, unit of time is second, unit of electric current is ampere, unit of thermodynamic temperature is Kelvin, unit of amount of substance is mole, unit of luminous intensity is candela or candela. Next part. So now our next topic is mass and weight. Definition of mass. Mass of a substance is the amount of matter present in it. Mass is a substance in which the matter is a small quantity which have many much matter present in it in a body is called a mass. When weight is a force exerted by gravity on an object. If a object having mass, when we pull or push it or exert our strength, then it is called weight. We feel the weight upon us of the object. The mass of a substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another. Weight may vary because the mass is always constant. An object mass must be constant only. If a object such as if we take something, an example of an object is 25 kg here, and after some time we take the object to anywhere else, it will be same, but the weight of the object can be varied due to atmospheric condition. The mass of a substance can be determined accurately in the laboratory by using an analytical balance. The SI unit of mass is given in table 1.1. Okay, kilogram. However, the fractional name is gram. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram is used in laboratories due to smaller amounts of chemicals used in chemical reaction. Okay, so the mass of a substance can be determined accurately in the lab with using an appliance, that is analytical balance. If we weigh the mass of any object, then we could find some errors, means like point errors. It may be 10, if it will be 10 kgs, then we can get 10 at most 10, but if we clarify with the analytical balance, it will show the point like 10.00012 like that. So mass weight is calculated in the analytical balance. In the table we have seen that SI unit of kilogram is kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. SI unit of mass is kilogram and 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. In laboratories they use smaller amounts because of chemical reaction. Yes, in laboratories many of the lab technician they use smaller amount due to the smaller reaction used in chemical labs, chemistry labs or etc. Okay, for this it is this much. Now from volume we will read in next onwards. Till